How to add crazy iPhone wallpaper trick. First, open the Settings app and tap Wallpaper. Then select Add New Wallpaper or choose one of your existing wallpapers to edit. Next, pick a photo from your gallery that has a clear subject, such as a person, pet, or object. If your iPhone supports it, iOS can automatically detect the subject and create a layered effect that places part of the image in front of the clock on the lock screen. You can also pinch to zoom and reposition the wallpaper until you're happy with the look. If available, try different wallpaper styles or effects to make your lock screen stand out even more. When everything looks the way you want, tap Set. Then choose whether to set it as a wallpaper pair or customize your home screen separately. That's it. You've just used one of the coolest iPhone wallpaper tricks to give your device a fresh new look. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more iPhone customization tips, iOS tricks, and easy tech guides.